introducing our drawer cutout kits. We have different cutout kits for the various drawers, starting with a vertical drawer or trash drawer kit. Then we have an XL drawer kit for drawers that are a little bit wider. Then we have a combo kit for those door drawer combos. And then we have a triple combo kit for those large 40+ inch triple drawer kits. Now let's go ahead and we'll install the vertical drawer kit into this 8-foot module frame. Now with the vertical drawer, you're gonna have one support, one horizontal support. Two choices. One, you can use the vertical tubes that are in the module and unscrew them and slide them to the cutout width for your door. Or you can buy an extra VT or two, so that way you'd have new VTs just to screw in for the right and left sides of your door. So for this example, we're going to use the existing VT in the module for the left side, and we've bought one extra VT for the right side of this door. With the vertical drawer kit, you're getting one horizontal support, one extra VT so that you'll be able to screw the horizontal support into the back of the module into a fresh VT. So it does come with one VT and then your telescoping parts here and couplers. First, we screw our one-ways into our CTT. So on the CTT, one-way will go vertically and one will go horizontally to be installed into this frame here. We'll go ahead and screw it in now. And CTTs are identified by blue paint. Now we'll do the same with the VT. We'll go ahead and screw the one-ways into that one as well. Very easy with these couplers. First, we lay our CTT in the center here of our vertical drawer on the ground so that we can line up the extra VT in the rear here. We'll line it up with that, and then we'll go ahead and screw it into the frame. We make sure the screws are facing in towards the frame, so that way the cement board will be flush on the outside. So now with the VT installed in the rear, you can see why we did our one-ways. This one is going to go on the inside of the bottom horizontal tube for the drawer, and the other one-way has to be vertical, see, to go to the back of that VT we just installed. That's why the one-ways are in different directions. Now we'll just go ahead and screw that in the center, and that will support our vertical drawer or trash drawer on the inside. If this was a combo, you'd have to install two of these. If it was a triple combo, you have maybe more than that going across to these VTs in the rear. Very easy. So the CTTs that go from the front to the back, those are not telescoping. They're pre-cut to fit our 31.5-inch modules. We like to screw in the front of the CTT first so that this is flush and not sticking above where the drawer is going to slide in. And then we clamp it in the back, and we make sure with a measuring tape that this does not raise up. It's not at an incline, because if this is an incline, when you go to slide your drawer in, it'll be too tight. It'll hit up here and won't go all the way in. So it's very important that this is level and not at an incline. Perfect, there it is. It was that fast and easy to install our drawer cutout kit with this support, horizontal support, identified with blue paint that goes horizontally, and our telescopings for the top and bottom of the front of the drawer. So you can see we have a nice cutout here for our drawer.